Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make kefir drink full guide. Sterilize a glass jar, add 1 tablespoon kefir grains to 1 cup milk, cover loosely, and store at room temperature for about 24 hours where bubbles will form and the milk thickens. Strain grains with a non-metal sieve, reserve grains for the next batch, and refrigerate the finished kefir to slow ferment. Pick fresh milk and avoid ultra-pasteurized products for best grain activity and flavor. If you want creamier kefir, use whole milk or add a bit of cream to the jar. For non-dairy options like coconut or almond milk, plan for longer ferment times and possibly a booster culture to maintain lively fermentation and consistent results across batches. After straining, flavor your kefir with mashed fruit, a teaspoon of honey, or a splash of vanilla, and let it rest chilled for a few hours to meld flavors. If you want fizz, do a second ferment in a sealed bottle for 12 to 24 hours, then refrigerate. Keep kefir cold to slow fermentation, taste regularly, and consume within a week to 10 days for peak freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.